Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is kind of going to be a short first impressions video just because I have to go to work in like an hour and a half maybe. So this is the Ulta Beauty Love Makeup 67 piece collection. It was originally $29.99, dropped down to $10.99 on clearance, I believe from the holidays, and it says that it is a $200 value. It includes 36 eyeshadows, which I'm going to swatch for you right now. I don't think I'm going to swatch them, but I am going to show you them. Jeez. So right there in the middle is all of these shades. I do kind of want to see what the formula for them is. A visitor. Hi, kitty cat. Say hello. So for the matte, it's very buttery. That is really nice and buttery. Okay, the formula for the shimmers, also very buttery. I'll be doing a look in the future with this. It also includes 4 blushes. So there's a matte nude pink blush, a matte peach blush, a shimmer pink blush, and a shimmer mauve blush. Also includes 3 eyeshadow bases. So that's these right here. There's the matte nude, the pearl, and the rose gold base. Also includes 3 glitter top coats, which is right here, the champagne glitter top coat, the silver glitter top coat, and the fuchsia glitter top coat. It's got 3 gel eyeliners, so navy, olive, and purple. 3 eyeliner pencils, which I believe are in here. It's got this like little pull-out drawer. So there's a charcoal, a black, and a brown. And they are adorable. It's got 2 bronzers, the matte and the shimmer. Two highlighters, a gold and a rose gold. 2 shiny liquid lipsticks, which is the red color right here and the nude. 2 matte liquid lipsticks, which is these 2 right here. 2 shiny lip glosses, so there and right there. 2 brow powders. The soft brown brow powder and the dark brown brow powder. It's also got a brow wax, a blush brush, and an eyeshadow brush. So I would say that this is the perfect kit for beginners. You know, you would still need to get like primer, foundation, setting spray, all of that. But if you just had this, you'd be golden. The only thing I'm not too fond of is this like weird brush that they give you that kind of feels like those paintbrushes for like watercolors. But other than that, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short, and I will be doing a more in-depth video, doing a couple of looks using this later on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.